Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at a method for solving logarithmic equations when we have logarithms on both sides. So we'll take the problem, ln of x minus 3 is equal to ln of 7x minus 23 minus ln of x plus 1. So first things first, on the right-hand side, we need to combine those logarithms into a single logarithm. So we'll leave the ln of x minus 3 alone. And then we get ln of 7x minus 23 divided by x plus 1. Well, now we have this natural log of things on both sides that are equal to each other. Similar to what we had with the exponents, we do have the fact that if the logarithms of both sides are equal, then what you're taking the log of has to be equal. So x minus 3 is equal to 7x minus 23 divided by x plus 1. We'll multiply both sides by x plus 1. And multiplying out that left-hand side, I get x squared minus 2x minus 3. I don't know why I put that parenthesis there. Equals 7x minus 23. Now I'll subtract 7x from both sides. And then add 23 to both sides. So we get x squared minus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now I'll go ahead and factor this. X minus 4 times x minus 5 is equal to 0. So we get x minus 4 equals 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x equals 4, or x equals 5. Now again, just like before, we have to check this. So we have ln of 4 minus 3 equals ln of 7x minus 23 minus ln of 4 plus 1. So ln of 1, and I inadvertently put 7x there. I should have put 7 times 4. So that's going to be equal to ln of 5 minus ln of 5. Couple of different ways you could approach this one. You could use the property of logarithms to say ln of 5 minus ln of 5 is equal to 1. Or you could say the natural log of 1 is 0. And I don't need to know what the natural log of 5 is. You know, natural log of 5 minus natural log of 5 is 0. So that checks. I should have been putting question marks up here. So x equals 4 is a solution, but that does not necessarily mean x equals 5 is not a solution. So we'll do ln of 5 minus 3 is equal to ln of 7 times 5 minus 23 minus ln of 5 plus 1. So we get natural log of 2 is equal to natural log of 12 minus natural log of 6. And unfortunately, the only thing we're able to do on this one is use the property of logarithms that says when you subtract logarithms, you divide. So we get natural log of 2 equals natural log of 2. So that checks out. So we indeed get that both x equals 4 and x equals 5 are solutions to this equation. So this concludes this video and also the set of videos for today. Monday, we're going to take a look at some applications of exponentials and logarithms and equations associated with them.